Alright, good afternoon everybody. What I'm going to show you today is how to clear your providers and cache once you have received a Universal Scrapers update. So just give you a kind of story of what the Universal Scrapers and also URL Resolver and Resolve URL basically does is that when you use one of these scraper add-ons, is that you pick your movie and you see that it scours the internet for all the different links. And what you'll notice after a while is that you start getting a lot of failed links, and it probably usually gets to the bottom of the list before it resolves one of those links so you can watch your movie. So when you have received Universal Scrapers update or the ones that I just mentioned before, you need to clear those providers and cache to take advantage of those new links. So what we are going to do is I'm going to show you, we're going to press the letter A, which is a shortcut that brings us to our Addon Browser, which you can see right here, Addon Browser. We're going to go to Recently Updated, and we're going to scroll down, and you can also see that we received a URL Resolver update and a Universal Scrape update on May 2nd, which is today. So that's really good, so we'll be able to take advantage of those new links. So now that we have seen that we've had a recent update to those, we're going to press Escape. It's going to bring us back to our home page, our main menu, and we're going to press the letter F on our keyboard to bring up our favorites. And as you can see right here in front of you, I've already built a maintenance section that should bring you right exactly to where you need to be. So anybody can do this. It should be really easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to each of our scraper add-ons that we use, and we're going to start with Placenta. We're going to left click or press enter, just depending on what you're doing. I'm using my mouse, so I'm going to left click. Okay, it's going to bring us to our settings menus right here. So what you see right here in front of you is clear providers. We're going to left click on that, press yes. Okay, you see the process is complete. Now we're going to go to clear cache. Alright, now what we're going to do, we're going to press backspace. As you can see, it brings us back to our maintenance menu right here. And the reason why we use backspace instead of escape, if you were to use escape, it would bring you back to that very first home screen, which is okay, but you'd have to press F again and go back into the maintenance. So just press backspace just to make it a little bit quicker for you. Now we're going to go to Neptune's Rising. We're going to left click. Okay, we're going to clear providers. Press yes. Okay. Now we're going to go to clear cache. Okay. Now we're going to press backspace. Now we're going to go to Uranus. I'm just going to give you a little heads up on this one. This is going to be a little bit different. Whenever you left click on clear providers in Uranus, you see that it doesn't give you the option to press yes. Just as long as you left click it, you should be good. Now we're going to go down one. We're going to go to clear cache. It will give us the option on this one. We press yes and process complete. We're going to press backspace. Okay, and lastly we're going to go to my add-on, which is the stream zone. We're going to left click. It's going to be a little bit different. We're going to clear cache. Okay, and what we're going to do, you can press yes on this one, the clear metadata, or no, doesn't matter. Press no. Clear scraper cache. This is the important one, so we can take advantage of those new links. We're going to press yes. And the last two, the gift cache and the track plugin, we'll just press no. Okay, now that we've done that, we're going to press escape. And we're going to go back to our home screen right here. In order for those providers to refresh, we're going to have to exit Kodi. So in case anybody didn't know this, is that all Kodi builds or fresh installs, the letter S brings you your power down menu where you could suspend, hibernate, exit. So what we're going to do is we're going to exit, and we're going to get back into Kodi once it exits. Then you should be able to take advantage of those new links. Alright, now we're going to get back into Kodi, and you should be good to go. That should be it. Everybody have a wonderful afternoon.